So contained within the Kit platform, under the Automate menu option, you'll see a link that says Apps. When I click on that, that takes us to what essentially is the Kit App Store. Now, what you'll find in here are essentially third-party companies that have created apps, either specifically for Kit or they've catered for the connection to Kit from an existing platform. So down the left hand side you'll see here that there are a number of filters. So for example, if you're looking for something that is specific to, let's say, CRM, if I click on that, then it'll bring back the apps that do have some form of CRM functionality in them. Likewise, if you do, let's say, survey and quizzes, you see those ones appear, and then maybe website platforms, you'll see other ones in here. If you want to see them all, just click all categories. Now, the apps that are located inside the App Store range from being free to use to having paid premium plans attached to them. It's really up to you to decide which ones you want to use, which ones you don't. My recommendation is that if you do have a requirement, something you would like to enhance your Kit email marketing system with, then look to see what options you have in there, and then consider whether that's going to be a good option for your system or not. The commonly used ones are things like Canva. So the Canva is one of the free ones you can use. If you want to, if you are a Canva user, you could click on that and then learn more about what it includes. If you want to install it on your account, you just click the button up there that says install, and then what you see is a screen that pops up to say Canva is requesting access to your account. Do you grant that access? And I'm going to click the button that says grant access to Canva. Allow. And now by doing that, when I go back to the App Store, you can see now I've got this green tick here, and the install button has now changed to uninstall. So I've now got access to Canva via Kit. And the way that manifests itself, if I go to, this is just an example for Canva, but if I go to, let's say, a test email here, and let's say I want to add, let's get rid of all this. If I want to add an image that I have in Canva, I can do it directly from within my email. So click plus button there. And if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see I've now got Canva connected. So I can click on that. That then connects to my Canva account, and I can pick, certain elements to drop straight into my email if I want to do that. So it's just an easy way to connect third-party apps or third-party platforms to your Kit account so that you can enhance the functionality or the experience for you and your subscribers. There's far too many to get through, explain what each one does, but you'll certainly recognise a few of the names. There's a few platforms in here that are well used, like Circle, Gravity Forms, Gumroad, IFTTT, Mighty Networks, another one that's a platform for if you want to build in a community aspect to your business. SavvyCal's like a competitor to Calendly that integrates with your emails. SendYaFor is another one I use for collecting and sharing testimonials from customers. You've got Squarespace for website, Stripe for payments, Teachable, TeachKit, Thinkific, they're all learning management platforms. And WordPress that's the one I use for my website. And then the last one is probably the most popular third-party connection platform that you can use to connect one platform or one system to another via Zapier. So have a look, have a peruse through the apps that are there, see which ones appeal to you, and if any do, then just hit the install button and add it to your account and play around with it. If you don't want it any longer, just simply come along, click the uninstall button, and that's it. Remove from your account again. The App Store is being added to probably on a weekly basis now. There's more and more apps arriving, so it's good to just come back and have another look to see what's there if you've not looked for a while.